Oh, let me see that. Let me see that. Oh, he's styling. He's styling. Wave check? Wave check. Let's see what you're working with. Let's see what you're working with.
Aye. Wave check.
Nice little silky on.
Let's see what I'm working with.
Let's see this. Let's see this.
Let's see what I'm working with.
Boom. I think you need something though.
Wash, right?
I think it's time for a
I
wash.
think it's time for a wash.
So what we about to do?
I'm gonna show you guys my wash process. Here we
Let's
go.
get it. Alright, boom. So the styling process for your waves is not that easy. I got my boy Jay Swayze right here, Jaden Little Cuz, and he's about to teach you guys today his process on how he takes care of his waves. He doesn't have curly hair, but he still got them going. Let me see, tilt your head down a little bit for me. Yeah, he still got the waves coming.
First step, wet your hair.
Alright, let's get it. Boom. Go in his hair. Get nice and damp.
Oh shit, I got Uggs on them. Alright, keep wetting it.
How long you gonna wet it for?
Like, it's about to be done right now.
Or just enough for the shampoo?
Yeah.
That brings us on to the next step.
Shampoo.
Boom. So what shampoo we got?
You got.
We're doing Organ Oil of Morocco. Okay. So $7.99, not that expensive.
Not that expensive.
Okay. So where do you get this shampoo at?
I got this at. You can get this at Walmart. To be honest, that's where I got
Walmart.
it.
So I just put it on your hair.
Yeah.
You want to always make sure you're going down against the grain
Down.
or with the grain.
With the
grain.
You're going against it. You're going like this.
Yeah. Up. Oh shit.
But I'm not worried about that because I can just bring it back to life. And then, right now, step 3. Step 3 is when we start the brushing.
So now what kind of brush is that?
This is an off-name brand.
Doesn't matter?
Brush. As long as it's hard. Well, for me, it has to be hard because I have straight hair and I need my hair to be like. Always brush in the pattern that your waves are going. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but you see how my waves are going like this?
Yeah.
Don't brush it down, that's just gonna mess up the pattern. So, brush it the way the waves are going. You don't wanna mess up your pattern. Always brush from the crown too. You never wanna brush too far away from the crown.
What are you trying to achieve by brushing it with the shampoo on? Like, do you go until the shampoo's gone, or?
Most of the time, I will go until like most of the shampoo's out. But I don't want to make this video too long.
Yeah.
So it'll be done like right about now. My last all around time. When I was about done, wash out the shampoo and your brush. Cause then your brush will just bristles will just get weak and soft. Now, step 3, just put on the do-rag with the stocking cap. The stocking cap will keep your waves like compressed.
But you got a video where you
Oh yeah. Go watch that video. There's 3 different ways how to tie. How to style your do-rag
for beginners. People that don't know, make sure y'all go check it out. That video link is gonna be in the description. 3 ways how to tie your do-rag for beginners.
Stocking cap, $1.99.
$1.99. So for the people that want to go out and buy the stocking caps, you can find it Walmart, any shops. That's what it looks like. Boom. I think it's 2-piece. All right, so he gets his do-rag, puts it on top. Stocking cap.
Fold it up. That's really good. always make sure your lines are straight.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, we're not gonna talk about how to put it. You guys can just go watch that video.
Yeah, make sure y'all go click the link for that other video.
Got it.
So now your hair is nice and damp and wet.
Yeah.
So once you get that do-rag on, all you're gonna do is wait until
Play the waiting game.
the do-rag absorbs most of that water,
Yeah.
and then that's when you take it off.
Basically, yeah.
So now what? Now we're done, we just wait?
Yep, now we just wait.
Alright, so we're gonna wait, and we're gonna come right back. Boom, 30 minutes is up.
Y'all ready? I don't think you're ready. No. Let's see. Ready? Wave cap off. Now.
So now what?
Now. Good. Good brush is good motivation.
Show us that brush, show us that brush.
A Torino Pro. A good brush is good
Where'd you
motivation.
get that brush at?
Online.
How much you pay?
$25. You can only get these brushes online. A good brush will make you want to brush your hair every single day and brush more. When I had first started getting waves, I had the regular Annie or Diane brush, and I barely brushed. But ever since I got my Torino, I've been putting in sessions, I've been putting in work every single day. I'm putting in work for like 15 to 30 minutes.
Keep it just like that. Keep brushing just like that. I want to see the front. That good lighting.
It's good motivation. I recommend to buy a Torino if you don't already have one.
Remember, this guy has straight hair. He does not have curly hair, so it's harder. It's still possible.
That's really it.
And you just put your do-bag rack on, and that's it.
Basically.
Well, that's Jay Swayze's method on how to wash your hair when you're trying to get waves and you have straight hair. If you guys thought this video was helpful, make sure you guys leave a like, comment,
Subscribe.
and subscribe to the channel for more.
It's been real.
Alright, y'all. Be safe out there.